Hi everybody, it's Fred. I'm taking some more video outside my apartment, and it is 12:15 a.m. This is about 2 hours since I did the video last, and give you a little update. Though it's been pretty windy, we've had about I'd say about 16-17 inches of snow. I don't know if you can see my car. It's the third one farthest away. It's a little buried. Everything's pretty well drifted in. Roads are still closed here in Massachusetts. We're still under a state of emergency. We're supposed to get about 8 more inches of snow, so we're supposed to get up to the final total should be about 24 inches here. And it has gotten very cold out. It was about 30 degrees.